Next one up is this gorgeous S1000RR. This one's in for one of our legendary full works packages. This is going to get a full Snowfoam safe wash, decontaminate it, degrease it, get it all spick and span. We'll polish up this exhaust and then we'll get it in the workshop up on the bench. We're going to airbrush all the Ultimaxx Signature Pro ceramic on every nook and cranny of this bike, making sure it is fully protected for the years ahead. These gorgeous wheels. She's looking a little sad for herself at the moment. This does get used daily, so time to get her cleaned up, get some protection on it. We're going to do a two-stage machine polish on all this bodywork before we airbrush the ceramic on, making sure to remove any imperfections. But let's get her cleaned up, decontaminated first, and then we'll get her blow dried and get her in the studio. What a gorgeous bit of kit. Let's get started. There you go, 2.5 hours later, this BMW S1000RR has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This is one of our legendary full works valets. Single stage machine polish on all the bodywork, everything's been prepped. We use the Ultimaxx ceramic for all the lower half, all the wheels, all the lower frame and everything, and then we use the Ultimaxx Signature Pro for all the top half. Absolutely gleaming. Look at those wheels. Everything's been polished, prepped and coated. I'll put some XCP on these rear sprocket nuts as they start to turn a little white already, so all that's been protected. All your shock, everything's been ceramic. Absolutely gleaming. Don't forget, we're open 7 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963.